Hello, hi, and welcome once again to the Chit Chat Show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. So today on our guest list we have Madhuri Dixit and Aishwarya Rai of Marathi cinema. Confused ho gaye? Well, we are talking about Mansi Naik, and one look at her, you will feel that she's the exact copy of Aishwarya Rai. And because of her dancing, her graceful dancing, she's known to be the Madhuri Dixit of Marathi cinema. So let's call her online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Hello everyone who has joined. Hello. I hope. Hello Amit. Hello Kishore. Hello Neerav. Hello Bansi. Thanks for joining. And we are just waiting for Mansi to join with us so that we can start the show. And hello Sheetalji. It's so good to see you after a long time. So who else is there? Well, yeah, hello. जी आप आ गए, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आए. एंड थैंक यू तब्रेज, थैंक यू वाडकर, अमित वाडकर. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर शी इज़ नॉट देयर येट. यस, ओके. सो जी जतन भट्ट, thank you so much for joining. Hi Man. Hello Raju Shinde. So I'll just say hello to all of you till the time she joins us, or she comes live. Yes, hello to everybody. I just hope that she joins us soon. Hello Anil Kumar ji. Hello Raju ji. So thanks for joining. Mansi has not joined yet. I just hope that she will be joining with us soon. Okay, so I just got her message, so she'll be joining with her. Stay tuned. And जितने भी लोग उनको follow कर रहे हैं, they must be knowing that she looks exactly like Aishwarya Rai, and yes, she's there. So I'm just add her, and let's start this chit chat show. And get to know more about her. She'll be there. Yes. Hi Mansi, you looking so pretty.
Hi, Asha.
Hi. So
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Thank you so much. And yeah, so you can hear me loud. थोड़ा सा network issue आ रहा है, I guess.
Major network issues. Unfortunately, there is no single word I can hear.
You can't hear anything? Just a second. Then I think I'll be needing my headphones. I think I'll be needing the headphones. Yeah, so let's do it here. Now you can hear me? Yeah, better? Okay, great. So tell me Mansi, like how is your lockdown period going on? क्या आप नया कर रही हैं इस lockdown period में?
Filal, तो I'm hoping that we'll have a good interview.
Yeah,
I think
great.
that's enough.
Yes, I know.
First, it's a pleasure and it feels very nice to be on this portal, especially because this is the first time I'm getting collaborated for an interview with
Okay.
Alpeji
जी.
and with you as such. Um, so I first thing first, what I normally do is thank you so much for bringing me on this portal because you're creating a memory with me for me in this lockdown period, which I will
Yeah.
always cherish all my life. And to the viewers, whoever are tuning in right now,
Yeah.
नमस्कार. आपण बघत आहात मानसी नाईकला आशा बरोबर एका छानशा गप्पा मारत आहोत आम्ही. त्याच्यामुळे लवकरात लवकर तुमचे प्रश्न खालती मेन्शन करा. So, as you asked me, Asha,
Yeah.
my lockdown period is going on good. It
Okay.
took a little time for me.
Okay.
मुझे schedule में आना थोड़ा मुश्किल लगा पहले पहले, but then latter period में I felt this was the need of the hour, and
Yeah.
survival of the fittest.
Yeah, because
So
this was like for everyone, you know, this was something new. We have never faced something like this. और पहले तो लगा कि शायद हमारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर लगा अब हमारी प्रॉब्लम है तो शायद इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर जब पता चला इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है और घर में ही रहना है तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हुआ, बट देन वी गॉट यूज्ड टू दैट। और कहीं ना कहीं सबने बहुत पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड दिखाया और कुछ ना कुछ नया किया, राइट? So
right.
that's how we all got that. So like, you know, so basically you had a good time, you got adjusted to lockdown, and you know I just hope that आपने काफी, you are a dancer, though you are not a trained dancer, but you are known to be the Madhuri Dixit of Marathi cinema. आप बहुत अच्छा डांस करती हैं, तो आपने डांस वगैरह की प्रैक्टिस करी घर में?
हाँ, मैं करती हूँ।
Right.
फिलहाल मैं it's not filal, but I feel ki I have always been dancing all my life and make
Okay.
people dance.
Oh, nice. So you make people dance to your tunes, right? Is it?
I'm pretty good at that. You'll come to know soon.
Nice. So tell me, like, you know, apart from this, like, you know, because you are basically an actress, आप काफी फिल्में कर चुकी हैं, तो how your career started? मतलब कहाँ से वो था? बचपन से आप करती आ रही हैं डांस, तो आई एम श्योर दैट यू नो सिनेमा वुड हैव बीन अ मेजर इंस्पिरेशन, और कहीं ना कहीं आप फिल्मों के गाने लेके डांस करती होंगी, और कहीं पहले से सोच के रखा था इसी में ही जाना है, या कुछ ऐसा आपके साथ डेस्टिनी ने यू नो जिसे बोलते हैं पुल किया आपको और आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में ले आए?
Okay, so FYI, first I'm a science student. I come from a very educational, a big good educational background. My
Okay.
father is a scientist. He is from the organic chemistry background.
Oh.
My mother belongs to CDAO Goribar Maidan. She works as an auditor,
Okay.
which is again collaborated with Uttar Jawan, basically. So, फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से मैं आती नहीं हूँ, which I
Okay.
am really proud of.
Okay.
I myself am a science student, so
Okay.
you can see that I know the formulas of the glamour industry.
Okay.
And I know what to use when and how to use with whom.
Okay. So basically your chemistry is very strong.
Yes. So
Yeah.
मैं एक्टर डेफिनेटली नहीं बनना चाहती थी,
Okay.
क्योंकि डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, और जब everything whatever happened, it was with God's grace, and thank you very much to the whole, you know, the vibe of, you know, I think it was the love of the people. Maybe I was meant to be here, and that's how I got both my big breaks, like
Okay.
for small television and for the big,
Okay. Okay.
big wide screen,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
big.
Big screen. Yeah. So
So
like,
both the things happened
how
at
you
the
got
same
that?
time.
How you got that?
Definitely not with an audition. I must tell you this.
Oh, then?
They just saw me and they picked me and they chose me. And obviously उसके बाद में screen test जो
Yeah.
होती है,
Yeah.
screen
Yeah.
test हो गई थी, फिर
Yeah.
look test हो गई थी.
Yeah.
But they saw me, like I was
Okay.
picked up from the audience. It's
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Obviously, you. I mean, one look at you, and you know, we feel, oh, like ये कौन है? You know, it's like that. So you have got the exact. You know, even the smile, even the eyes, everything. Because even I was like confused. I was like, who is this girl? You know, who is this? So you exactly resemble Aishwarya Rai. I'm telling you this thing, and I'm sure 100 out of 100 people must have told you that, isn't it? Yeah, not even one would have
Keep
said
the
कि नहीं.
compliment coming, and I kept keep the compliment coming.
Okay, nice, great. So that was the journey. Like, you know, that journey started. You were picked out of the crowd, and you know, then you were made to do all this, you know, screen test and everything. And obviously, you were, because you love dance, and you know, dance पे expressions होते हैं. और basically, you know, अगर हम acting में देखें, acting में क्या है? You know, it is expressions only. You know, how you can emote well on screen and all. So you tell us about your projects. कौन से आपने मराठी के projects किए हैं, serials किए हैं, उसके बारे में बताइए.
Frankly saying, मैंने बहुत छोटे टाइम में बहुत कुछ सीखा है.
Okay.
I've done many projects in a very small
Okay.
period.
Okay.
So I'm a 33 film old girl, और मेरे नाम पे बहुत सारे trending songs हैं, and because I can dance and I love dancing. Dancing is like my passion. And as
Yeah.
everyone knows, I'm an untrained dancer. मैं dance सीखी नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ माधुरी दीक्षित मैम को देख के like उनके costumes,
Yeah.
her makeup,
Yeah.
and her moves and her expressions,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
especially her expressions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I have always mentioned it in my interview that she is not just a textbook, she's like my
Yeah.
university. Like,
Yeah.
what
Encyclopedia, is it?
completely.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so
Okay.
I think my dance helps me to be a better actor. But
Yeah.
I love acting more than dancing. Dancing is
Okay.
something which
Okay.
it's my cut.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
acting is something which I would love to do every now and then. Like I will choose acting over dancing.
ओके ग्रेट सो टेल मी योर फेवरेट
Uh,
प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी तक जो आपने मूवीज करी हैं किसमें आपको बहुत मजा आया या कौन से आपको सीरियल्स और उसमें मजा आया लाइक यू नो एक होता है ना कि लाइक एक किरदार का भी एक बहुत रोल होता है इसमें यू फील दैट यू नो दिस वाज मे बी प्रोबब्ली ऑपोजिट टू व्हाट यू आर और प्रोबब्ली वेरी क्लोज टू व्हाट यू आर तो कहीं ना कहीं यू नो यू फील कि ये वाला कैरेक्टर जो था जो भी आपको आपने किया होगा यू फील दैट दिस वाज स्पेशल सो ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर था आपका
वैसे तो every character which I played or portrayed on small screen or big screen, trust me, Asha, I will not be biased. They're all close to me, all of them.
या
And in
या
fact, जो मेरी जो latest movie है, वो
राइट
मेरे लिए ज़्यादा special रहेगी,
राइट
which is because I have given tribute to 33 different Indian actors and actresses.
ओह
जो नितिन दादा की है, जो नितिन चंद्रकांत देसाई
जी
वो
जी
डायरेक्टर
जी
है,
जी जी
जिन्होंने फिल्मी ख्वाहिशें वो फिल्म का नाम है,
राइट राइट
वो
ओके
अभी बाहर आई नहीं है बिकॉज देयर आर
या
सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज
ओके
हैपनिंग
ओके ओके
behind the camera.
ओके
So
ओके
waiting for that. But that movie is one movie where I have played Zeenat Aman ji, where I have played Madhuri Dixit ma'am, where I have played
ओह
Asani ji. I have given
ओह
tribute to Amitabh Bachchan. I have given
वाओ
tribute to Sanjay ji. I have
वाओ
recreated the scene of if you must have seen V Shantaram's legendary movie दो आंखें बारह हाथ या तो फिर नवरंग अगर आपने देखी होगी
ओके
क्या आपने देखी नवरंग
नहीं आई हैव नॉट सीन सॉरी सो
then
आई
if you are a part of the industry you have to see this movie.
ओके आई विल डू दैट
So
डेफिनेटली
in
या
that particular patch
या
संध्या जी जो हमारे लेजेंडरी एक्ट्रेस है
हम्म
उन्होंने 11 मटकों पे 11 मटके अपने सिर पे लिए थे एंड शी हैड
ओके
डांस्ड विद इट जो
ओह
अरे
ओके
जाने नटखट जो गाना जिस मूवी से
हाँ
है ना
यस
अरे
यस 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 ओह ओके
दैट
ओके
मूवी
ओके
so
तो
I have
आपने उन सबको
recreated that.
ओ वाओ अमेजिंग सो so we are waiting for that definitely you know we want to see that recreation yeah definitely so it will be a good जिसे बोलते हैं ना बिग बैंग लॉन्च यू नो आपका होगा लाइक प्रॉब्ली यू नो जब भी इसके बाद प्रॉब्ली पोस्ट कोरोना वी कांट से व्हेन बट देन जब भी होगा सो आई वांट टू आस्क वन मोर क्वेश्चन अब आपके जितना आपने प्यार बताया है यू नो माधुरी दीक्षित मैम के लिए तो क्या आप मिल पाई हैं उनसे
No. Oh,
नहीं
no.
आई जस्ट होप एंड विश कि कोई कोई भी कहीं से उनका मैनेजर कोई भी इंटरव्यू देखे एंड यू नो मेक यू मीट हर यू नो यू नेवर नो मिरेकल्स कैन डेफिनेटली हैपन so I this is my personal wish for you and going forward just tell me आपके बचपन के बारे में you just told that you know you belong to a very good family and you know पढ़ाई बहुत important थी आपकी फैमिली में और आपने भी साइंस यू नो यू वर अ साइंस स्टूडेंट तो हाउ आर यू एज अ चाइल्ड पढ़ने में तो वी गॉट टू नो कि आप अच्छी थी सो एज अ चाइल्ड इन द सेंस डू वर यू नॉटी और नॉटी थी तो आपने क्या ऐसी शरारतें करी अपनी बचपन में कि जो यू नो कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा उस टाइम तो शरारत करके निकल ली एंड देन प्रॉब्ली कई लोग बाद में ऐसा होता है ना उसके लिए बहुत डांट पड़ती है और कई बार मार भी पड़ सकती है तो ऐसी कोई शरारत याद है आपको बचपन की
फ्रैंकली सेइंग आशा जो मैं बचपन में थी ना आई एम एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे आई एम इक्वली
ओके
इक्वली आई एम लाइक अ फिल्म मैनियक मैं बहुत
ओके
फिल्मी हूँ आई स्टिल
अच्छा
डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई मिरर
ओके
एंड आई एम सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड लाइक मैं
ओह
अपनी फेवरेट लाइक दैट
okay okay got it
So,
yeah
it has like down the travel, I have
hmm
not changed at all. I
hmm
still love chocolate. I
hmm
still love cooking. I
hmm
still am a pet lover and animal lover, and I still
oh
love
yeah I wanted to ask you about that. Well, the first two things, cooking and chocolate, doesn't like आपके ऊपर तो लगते नहीं है, so we can definitely, you know, so basically आपको touch करके निकल जाते हैं, so that's a good thing, you know. We, for females, it's like one of the biggest blessings, you know. So if it is
Yeah.
that, yeah, so you are blessed, and that's a nice thing. So about the cats, you know, you have 15 cats at your place, isn't it? So you call yourself cat mom. So tell me about your cats, and you know, how many breeds do you have?
I have two breeds,
Okay.
Persian and Maine Coon Persian, and
Okay.
बाकी जो family बड़ी है वो उन दोनों का mixture है.
Ah,
And
okay. Okay.
it's like I had a couple before, like a couple,
Okay.
like Persian और Maine Coon का एक
Yeah.
couple था.
Yeah.
And then it just happened, and I don't know, it just मैंने वो generation सबको मैंने मेरे घर पे ही रखा. कि इसके बाद ये हो गए, इसके बाद 6 हो गए, इसके
But
बाद 2 हो गए.
but
But
it
I
is
never
very
gave them up.
difficult. But it is very difficult because cats are known that, you know, वो एक जगह पे रहती नहीं है. But it is very difficult. मतलब you have made them stay at your place, so it's a big thing. So your love, like, are they like, you know, like आपस में झगड़ती वगैरह नहीं है? Cat
Oh,
fight नहीं
yes,
होती?
they do. They do. They have their
Yeah.
territories, and you
Okay.
know, babies are like, hey, मेरा मूड
Yeah.
नहीं है तो मुझे देखने
Yeah.
भी मत.
Yeah.
Like cats are
Yeah.
meant to be like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
No,
yeah,
no,
yeah,
no.
I know. And especially Persian ones, they are like very lazy bums, right? मतलब वो बैठे हैं तो कहीं पे भी बैठे ही रहते हैं और उसके बाद उठना नहीं है उनको. I think that they are like, you know, the royal cats.
The royal cats, yeah.
Yeah.
The fun thing about cats is that A, they are very independent. So
Okay.
it's not like dogs कि आपको उनको बाहर लेके जाना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
right.
You
Yeah.
need those,
हाँ.
you know, बाहर जाना पड़ता है for चूसू potty.
Yeah.
But because they're independent, and also a fact about cats is that they sleep for 16 hours a day. So it's like
Oh.
you mind your own business, what is going
Oh,
on.
yes, yes.
Like that.
Oh,
कि आप अपना काम
yeah.
करो, मुझे सोने दो.
Yeah. Wow.
They're like this 16 huge, you know, bed. Is it छोटे cushions I have all over the place, and I've got a huge
Okay.
place.
Okay.
So they are all over the house.
Okay. So, you
It's
know,
not
if
that they are staying with me. I am staying with them.
yeah. Now we get to know that exactly. That's the point. So tell me, like, you know, we were talking about your childhood. तो बचपन में जो हम बचपन की बातें कर रहे थे, तो बचपन की शरारत कुछ याद आई आपको? कुछ
नहीं,
ऐसी?
मैं शरारत नहीं करती हूँ. Actually, I'm a good girl.
अरे तो कोई, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, यू नो, किसी के आपने मतलब क्रिकेट खेल के खिड़की तोड़ दी होगी, ऐसा नहीं, बट जनरली होता है ना कुछ मस्ती तो करते ही
काश
हैं.
मैंने तोड़ी होती.
So,
I never got a chance.
भाई बहनों के साथ भी, कजिन्स के साथ कोई शरारत नहीं, मतलब बिल्कुल.
नहीं. I have, trust me, मैं बहुत fake teachers pet रही हूँ और मैं अभी भी वैसे हूँ.
अच्छा.
That's the,
Okay.
you know, that's something which is needed
Yeah.
in the life
Yeah,
right now. You know,
yeah,
you have to be fake in front of
Yeah.
people, even if they are bad.
Very true, very true. So that's nice. So अभी बात हो रही है स्पोर्ट्स की. So tell me, you know, which is your favorite sport?
Previously, my favorite sport, and I felt that it was my favorite sport, which was cricket, because मैं खुद cricket खेलती हूँ. I'm a lefty. But
Oh.
उसके बाद, yeah, तो उसके
Okay.
बाद में gradually I understood that no, cricket is not the thing.
Ah, okay.
Everything is about gloves, and
Okay.
when
Okay.
I fell in love, it was all about boxing.
Okay. So now you know more about boxing. You know everything about boxing.
Are you crazy? I don't know anything about boxing. He's sitting right next to me. You're giving him ideas. I don't know anything about boxing. You have to teach me.
So that's the reason I'm asking this question, you know, like how interested are you right now about boxing, or you know, because cricket को तो आपने त्याग दिया है, so मतलब त्याग in the sense कि अभी interest थोड़ा सा boxing में ज्यादा हो गया है. So boxing के बारे में कितने matches बैठ के देखते हो आप, you know, और क्या कैसे मतलब अगर चलता है तो बैठ के देखते हो, you want to learn about it, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
See, jokes apart, it's very important to understand as an Indian कि हमारे main sports कौन से हैं.
Yeah.
Because cricket is dominating, and we are so crazy about the cricketers on, you know, cricket.
Yeah.
एक का कोई क्रिकेटर फैन मतलब फैन बहुत बड़ा
Yeah.
है,
Yeah.
क्रिकेटर बड़ा, लाइक हमने
Right.
क्रिकेटर्स को बड़ा बनाया है.
Right.
But
Exactly.
you have to understand the fact. The facts
Yeah.
are that cricket is not our Indian
Right.
sport, the main sport.
Right.
Here,
Right. Right.
hockey है, boxing
Hockey.
है,
Exactly.
karate है,
Exactly.
जितने हैं,
Exactly.
and there are people who are representing our country on
Yeah.
an international level. जो
Right.
जिनको heroes बनाना बहुत जरूरी
हाँ,
है,
बहुत
because they are
जरूरी है.
the main people.
Yeah. And you know, and
और
if you see, ये इक्वली उतनी मेहनत करते हैं जितने क्रिकेटर भी करते हैं, उतनी मेहनत इनफैक्ट ज्यादा, बिकॉज उनको उतना सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है, सो उनको ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज दे हैव टू फाइंड
exactly.
फंडर्स एंड एवरीबडी, सो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लाइक आई रिसेंटली गॉट टू नो अबाउट वन ऑफ अ वेरी गुड एथलीट, जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट की हैं. उन्होंने बहुत ओलंपिक में भी खेला था, एंड राइट नाउ शी वाज फेसिंग फाइनेंशियल क्रंच एंड नोबडी वाज देयर टू सपोर्ट हर. बट क्रिकेटर्स को वी हैव उनके पूरे जिसे बोलते हैं लॉकडाउन में भी दे वर डूइंग एड्स, दे वर डूइंग एवरीथिंग, so we need to change that. We need, as a basically as a countrymen, हमको ये थोड़ा तो change लाना ही चाहिए. You are right on that.
Yeah, and frankly speaking, because it's not just that. See, I will obviously be biased over boxing because my man is a boxer himself. But as an Indian, I want to support all those people who are. See, every sport has मेहनत हर जगह पे है. जैसे you mentioned. So why not they? Why not they? So my thing is you have to equally support, at least acknowledgement तो दो कि वो कर रहे हैं. So yes, like coming to boxing, he is number one in his group right now, and he's representing India
and he's a model level also.
And yes, he's Mr. India 2018.
Yeah. So everything, like you are multi-talented, he's also multi-talented, so both are a very so that's a good combination. So when you're talking about like this, when you're talking about sports, ये ऐसा तो हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है. Don't you feel that, even for that matters, film industry में भी ऐसा ही होता है, like जो बहुत if like we are talking about, what I'm coming at, so it's like बहुत कई बार जो होता है, जो बहुत डिजर्विंग होते हैं, उनको उतना चांस नहीं मिलता, जो बेसिकली जिनका आजकल के टर्म में आउटसाइडर जो कहा जाता है इंडस्ट्री को, like you and me basically, if you're talking about this, so उसके बारे में what do you think, what do you feel about that?
I feel it was high time that this should have happened, but unfortunately it took one life. It took one life to reopen eyes of audience कि बाबा ऐसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं. And I am completely with Kangana Ranaut, man, because see she inspires millions. But then again, forget her acting and everything else. You have to understand what she says, because people are just they are like making inhibitions about the fact that what uske saath hua hai to fir aisa. No. It has happened with more than half. If there are 100 people in the industry, it has happened with more than 70 people.
Right.
And
you're
I
absolutely
myself
right.
have the same thing. I myself have the same thing.
Yeah.
So understanding word to word whatever she says about the industry, about whatever happened,
and it feels bad, it feels bad because without even taking your audition, or without even taking basically knowing whether you are able, मतलब आप कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते, outrightly आपको reject किया जाता है, or because of various reasons. So that being in the industry, so it is not right, so जहाँ से जितनी मेहनत we as an outsider has to do, तो वो मेहनत दे के कई बार ऐसा बहुत सारे लोग हताश हो जाते हैं. Everybody doesn't have that kind of willpower basically. So that's one thing that I hope that it will change in future.
And see, there are two sides of every coin, Asha.
Yeah.
So if there are bad people, there are good people by your side also. So like if people don't believe you, there are people who do believe you as an artist, and at the end, हमारी मेहनत जारी रहेगी. At the end, it will not fail at all. Like you guys, like I always say that these people will never push me down. So that is why every time I look very different, I look very fresh, and when people are like, ये कैसे हो गया? How come she's happy? So, I have
Yeah,
self-confidence. If
yeah,
there are more than million times I have been asked
yeah,
this question कि
yeah.
आप songs क्यों करती हो,
Okay.
और मैं उल्टा उनको यही बोलती हूँ कि आप ये डायरेक्टर्स को पूछो कि वो मुझे कास्ट क्यों नहीं करते,
Huh. Right.
because there
Right.
is a huge
Exactly. Huh.
casting
Obviously.
और ये
Yeah.
सब कुछ, it's very dirty.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो
I
भाई
know.
कोई बात नहीं, अगर आप एक डायरेक्टर नहीं हो, आपके
Hmm.
जैसे बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो
Hmm. Hmm.
definitely somewhere or the other
Yeah.
I will be taking care of.
Hmm.
And I am a
Yeah.
self-made girl. I don't have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
So I know everything. But
Yeah.
then, as your name is Asha, Asha की film fade out नहीं होनी चाहिए. So let's
Yeah,
hope.
I know.
Yeah,
Let's hope. Yeah, that's the
let's
only
hope.
thing I liked about my name. Let's hope. Keep hoping because कभी निराश नहीं होना है. That's one thing.
You share my
So,
mother's name. My mother's name is also Asha.
ओके नाइस. चलो ये अच्छा लगा सुन के. बट देन वही बेसिकली नाम का भी काफी इम्पोर्टेंस होती है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. सो दे जो मेरा नाम है आशा, सो आई नेवर फील अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी सैड होती हूँ वापस से आई बाउंस बैक. सो आई थिंक दैट व्हाट द नेम्स डज टू मी. होप रखो, उम्मीद रखो, हमेशा से.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I'm very sure that your mom's name also, and your mom must be very beautiful. तभी आपके अंदर भी वो genes वहां से आए हैं. So वो भी एक थोड़ा सा. So that's again very nice. So let's now do one thing. Let's now take the questions. I think बहुत सारे viewers हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं. जो इनको hello कर दीजिए आप, and then probably we'll.
Hello, hi.
Yeah. So just
Yesterday I saw
so
Dholki movie. What a performance! Thank you so
okay.
much.
Yeah.
I am dot Suraj Kunjir underscore 2799. Thank you.
Okay. So, viewers, you can ask the questions right now if you want to ask anything from Mansi. So, we are here to answer your questions, but make sure that questions are relevant and nice. So, just say hello, Mansi. Just say hello to everyone. I think a lot of people are
Hello,
there. Just say, yeah,
hi.
yeah, just,
हाय,
yeah,
नमस्ते, नमस्कार, कसे आहात तुम्ही? कैसे हैं
yeah.
आप?
कैसे
With
हैं
me,
आप?
it's
So
like
now,
always, they are expecting me to talk in Marathi, या तो फिर
yeah.
हिंदी, या
So
तो फिर
so
English.
one person has asked Mayank Sisodia. Mayank, I think we already answered. Next project पूछ रहे हैं वो आपका. What is your next project? I think, yeah. Tell the name of that movie.
To rule the world, trust me. That is my next
Oh,
project.
nice, nice. So Mayank, I hope that you got the answer. So hello everyone again. I think, is there any question that you people want to ask? So you can ask before we wind off. Amchi Majid Ahe Tumhi. So you have to understand what they say. I don't know Marathi.
Hello, hello,
Okay.
hello. My
शूटिंग कब
log
चालू होगी?
शूटिंग तो वैसे चालू हो गई है, but
Okay.
with always obvious precautions and safety measures.
Yeah, right. Speak in Marathi. क्या चाहते हैं आप मराठी में बोलना? One viewer asking
काय
Marathi.
ऐकायचं आहे तुम्हाला?
One viewer asking कि मराठी सिनेमा में भी नेपोटिज्म होता है क्या?
Yes, big time. Trust me. Nepotism,
हर जगह होता है.
nepotism term, as and when it got introduced, now everyone is using this term everywhere.
Yeah,
And trust
everywhere.
me, it has always been there
Yeah,
since history. त्याच्यामुळे don't just spotlight the glamour industry, because as I
yeah,
mentioned, if
yeah.
there are bad people, there are good people also.
And good people.
But the answer to your
Okay, one
question is
person has asked,
there will
आप
be.
शादी कब करोगे? One person.
Soon.
Soon. Okay. Soon आपको आंसर मिल गया है. What else? Like Mansi
Film
by
City मध्ये
reply,
होणार
but
आहे का?
क्या?
Like my Shadi in Film City. I don't know where it's going to happen.
I don't know. People are like, they will be very much interested in your personal life. So probably they want to know, because since you just, you have actually come up with the boxing love. So probably they want to know. So I think right now we all are just getting hi and hellos, and
Hi,
everybody's
hi, hi.
complimenting.
Hi,
Okay.
Swati. Looking beautiful. Thank you. Lots of
Yeah.
love.
Yeah. So
And too many hearts. कहाँ रखूं मैं
okay.
इतने सारे फूल?
Okay. So one of the viewer is saying he loves your eyes. You are very beautiful, and yeah, yeah. Okay. So we
Thank
all,
you.
yes, yes. So I think, Mansi, in the meanwhile, I'll just keep a tab on the question. In the meanwhile, you want to tell anything to your fans, any message that you want to tell your fans, so probably.
Uh, First thing first, I hope you guys are safe. आप सब
Yeah,
safe होना आपके family के साथ. तुम्ही सगळे
yeah,
safe आहात ना family बरोबर. Because things are getting worse and worse, and but all thanks to technology, at least we are surviving on technology. Like
yes,
just
yes,
imagine,
yeah,
10 years back, जब और ये Instagram और क्या
yeah,
होता था.
yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, so you should say thanks to all this technology that we are chatting like face
Exactly.
to face like this. Exactly. So, okay,
And
so thank you
there are
so
many
much,
things
Arshad ji.
happening. There are many things happening outside, so
Yeah,
just be careful, be secured, stay healthy, eat healthy, and understand what you are doing.
yeah. Yeah, exactly. So that's the basic thing. Are you not involved in any activism? So that's one question somebody has asked. I think people,
Uh,
activism, probably
no,
they
I
want to
am.
know probably about social service and all, I think.
Social services is something which I don't generally as what I am. Forget that I'm an artist. I'm a human first. So
Yeah,
humanitarian level पे मैं कुछ
yeah,
भी अगर
yeah,
social करती हूँ
yeah,
तो मैं
yeah,
उसका बोलबाला नहीं करती हूँ
yeah,
because
yeah, I
I
agree
don't
on that.
believe in
Yeah,
that.
right.
So yes, I have been helping people behind the
Okay,
camera. मैं इतना ही
okay.
बताऊंगी
Mm-hmm.
for animals
Yeah,
because animals is something which I have always been supporting since my college days.
okay.
और मैं जितना हो सके मैं उतना सपोर्ट करती हूँ. और
Mm-hmm.
मैं खुद एक कैट मॉम हूँ तो आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस.
Yes,
और
yes, yes.
दूसरी चीज है कि सोशली मैं ज्यादा कुछ काम किया तो उसका सोशली पोस्ट
हाँ,
करो.
right, right.
आई डोंट
हाँ,
बिलीव इन दैट.
I think उससे अगर शास्त्रों के हिसाब से माना जाए तो अगर अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा बोलबाला करते हो तो वो उसकी वैल्यू भी खत्म हो जाती है, सो जो आप कर
बिल्कुल.
रहे हो उसकी वैल्यू भी खत्म हो जाती है. या सो वन पर्सन हैज आस्क्ड हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर इन बॉलीवुड.
माय फेवरेट एक्टर वो शम्मी कपूर जी. मुझे वो बहुत
ओके,
अच्छे लगते थे.
ओके,
इनफैक्ट माय
ओके,
फादर्स फेवरेट
ओके.
इज शम्मी.
Oh, great, great. So people have, said all those questions like, some people have their one lifetime wish of meeting you. I just hope कि वो उनका wish पूरा हो जाए lifetime का जैसे भी होगा. So
आई वुड लव टू
that's,
मीट यू ऑल.
yeah. So so that's it for today. And thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you so much for coming online, sharing your thoughts, sharing your life. And it was such a pleasure meeting you here. So we wish you all the best for your future. And जो भी आपकी आने वाली पिक्चर है जिसमें आपने ट्रिब्यूट दिया है बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को, we wish that it should be a blockbuster.
थैंक यू सो मच आशा एंड थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग मी ऑन दिस पोर्टल बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड एज आई मेंशन एक बहुत सुंदर और क्यूट मेमोरी आज मेरे
Yeah,
लिए हो गई. थैंक यू सो मच.
definitely, definitely.
Lots of
Thank you
love.
so much. Yeah, bye bye. Bye bye.